welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to have a 5-minute quick review for these Tekton modular wrench organizers and see if they're worth your money or not. So the product comes in multiple configurations, and if you order from Tekton's website, ranging in price from $5 to $65. When I ordered it, I got the 40 tool version. There are smaller ones, like I said. You can get singles like this, you can see, or the triples, which when you order the 40 tool version, you get it's sets of 3, and these all snap and interlock together, like you can see here. They are branded on the front with Tekton right there. And one of the other things that's really neat that they give you is they give you all of the stickers for the different sizes. The wrenches fit really well. As you can see, I have all the way up to, what is this one? 1 1/16. 1 1/16 is crazy. I'm never going to use it, but I found one, so I figured I'd put it in here just to cover it for the review. I don't have all of my wrenches in here just because there's a lot of double sizes and triple sizes of certain ones, but I really do like this thing quite a bit. It looks really nice. Black or red are your color options. It is well built. As you can see too, the stickers are really easy to read. It's very easy to take the wrenches in and out, very easy to put them back. I just have to get used to knowing that the wrench I'm looking for is in front of the number, not behind it. Now, what cons are there? Well, the labels are a pain to put on. They give you 2 sets when you do buy it though, so you have a metric and a standard set. When I bought them, I bought the red ones from the Tekton website and the black ones from Amazon. I did not know that they came with the labels already, so I actually bought an extra set of labels by accident. It was only about $3, I think, but they're $35 for the 40 tool set, so that's less than $1 per. And there are cheaper versions out there, I would say, is another con, but I actually really like these, and I like them so much that I actually wanted to see what other organization things that Tekton made. And I've looked into it a little bit, but I don't think anything so far is as good as these. So if interested, I did put the links for this in the description. And we're going to try to do more of these. So this is my first one, and we'll see how this process keeps going. So thank you everybody for watching, and subscribe and like, and we'll try to get some more future content. Thanks.